So here's how to withdraw money from Warrior Plus. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Warrior Plus account. Once you are logged into your Warrior Plus account, now here you have to simply click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, now here you will be able to view this option V Plus Wallet. Once you click on this option, now it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to simply click on this withdraw option at the top left corner. After that, it will ask you to enter your bank details. Now you have to carefully enter all of your bank details. Once you enter all of your bank details, now you have to simply click on the withdraw option to take withdrawal from Warrior Plus. After that, you have to wait for the processing time of your withdrawal. It will take about 2 or 3 days to withdraw from Warrior Plus to your bank account. So that's how to withdraw money from Warrior Plus.